how to register to 5paisa. So if you want to register to 5paisa, then first of all you need to open up your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Now you can simply go for the search bar and then search for 5paisa. And after searching here on the first search, you will have www.5paisa.com. You can simply click on that. And here you can go for open an account, a demat account, which is here on the upper right. And then here you have to enter your mobile number. So simply enter your mobile number and then click on open demat account. And here you will get the OTP to that mobile number. And after entering the OTP, you can simply click on submit, and then your account will be created. So to open a 5paisa demat account, you need to have an Indian mobile number. So if you don't have an Indian mobile number, then you won't be able to create your account. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.